Imagine if a simple, natural oil, something you might already have tucked away in your pantry, could be the key to transforming your hair. For years, people have searched for that one miracle ingredient, often overlooking the humble items sitting right at home. But what if the answer to thicker, fuller hair was hiding in plain sight, just waiting to be discovered? Picture this. In just a few months, you could see a noticeable boost in your hair count, with strands looking healthier and more vibrant. It sounds almost too good to be true, but real people have experienced these changes, and the results speak for themselves. Back in 2014, a group of dedicated researchers set out to test the effects of pumpkin seed oil on men struggling with hair loss. Their findings were nothing short of remarkable. After just 24 weeks, participants who took pumpkin seed oil supplements saw their hair count increase by an impressive 40%. That's not just a small improvement, it's a transformation that's both visible and measurable. This wasn't a minor change, it was a breakthrough that brought new hope to countless people who had tried everything else. Imagine the confidence boost of seeing your hair grow thicker and stronger, all thanks to a natural remedy. The best part? This powerful secret isn't some expensive chemical or hard-to-find supplement. It's pumpkin seed oil, a golden, nutrient-rich oil that might already be sitting in your kitchen, right next to your everyday cooking ingredients. Many commercial hair products promise dramatic results, but they often come with a long list of side effects, harsh chemicals, and disappointing outcomes. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the endless options and marketing claims. That's why more and more people are turning to gentle, natural solutions that nourish the scalp and hair without the risks. Pumpkin seed oil is gaining popularity as a safe, effective alternative that fits seamlessly into your daily routine. What sets pumpkin seed oil apart is its unique combination of nutrients, antioxidants, and fatty acids. It works from the inside out, supporting healthy hair growth and providing real nourishment to your scalp and follicles. In this guide, we'll break down the science behind pumpkin seed oil, explain how to use it for the best results, and help you set realistic expectations for your hair journey. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a natural boost, you'll find practical tips and expert insights here. By the end, you'll see pumpkin seed oil not as a miracle cure, but as a supportive partner in your quest for healthier, more resilient hair. It's a time-tested, natural ally that can make a real difference over time. So, let's unlock the potential of this amazing gift from nature together and discover how a simple pantry staple could be the start of your healthiest hair yet. So, what exactly is pumpkin seed oil? It's a rich, dark green oil pressed from the hull-less seeds of Styrian pumpkins. Unlike the seeds you find in Halloween pumpkins, these are perfect for making a flavorful, nutrient-packed oil. Used for centuries in Central Europe, pumpkin seed oil is now gaining attention for its gentle food-grade safety and wellness benefits. The oil is cold-pressed to preserve its nutrients, avoiding harsh chemicals or heat. It's well tolerated by most people, both as a food and a topical treatment. Its natural plant-based profile makes it a favorite for those seeking holistic hair care. Think of pumpkin seed oil as a gentle giant, powerful enough to support hair health, yet safe for regular use. It's a simple, wholesome ingredient with a surprisingly potent profile. Pumpkin seed oil's effectiveness comes from its rich nutritional profile. It's loaded with zinc, a mineral vital for hair growth and repair. Deficiency in zinc is often linked to hair loss. The oil also contains essential fatty acids like oleic and linoleic acid, which moisturize the scalp and strengthen hair. Magnesium and iron in the oil support healthy follicles and oxygen delivery to hair cells. Antioxidants, especially vitamin E, protect against oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which can contribute to thinning hair. This unique blend of nutrients helps create the ideal environment for hair to thrive. By nourishing your scalp and follicles, pumpkin seed oil helps build stronger, more resilient hair. It's truly a multitasking nutrient powerhouse. That's why it's become a go-to for natural hair support. How does pumpkin seed oil actually help with hair loss? It's a question that sparked curiosity among both scientists and people searching for natural solutions. While hair loss can be caused by many factors, one of the main culprits is a hormone called DHT, or dihydrotestosterone. This hormone is known to shrink hair follicles, making it harder for hair to grow and easier for it to fall out. The answer lies in pumpkin seed oil's unique ability to block DHT, a hormone closely linked to hair thinning and pattern baldness in both men and women. By interfering with DHT, pumpkin seed oil helps protect hair follicles from shrinking and becoming inactive. Pumpkin seed oil is rich in phytosterols, especially beta-sitosterol. These plant compounds are believed to inhibit the enzyme 5-alpha reductase, which is responsible for converting testosterone into DHT. By slowing down this conversion, pumpkin seed oil may help maintain a healthier balance of hormones that support hair growth. With less DHT in the scalp, there's less follicle shrinkage, which means hair has a better chance to grow thicker, stronger, and healthier. Over time, this can lead to visible improvements in hair density and overall scalp health. This natural DHT blocking action is a key reason pumpkin seed oil is gaining attention as an alternative to pharmaceutical treatments. Unlike some medications, it's gentle on the body and comes with fewer side effects, making it appealing for those seeking a holistic approach. But pumpkin seed oil's benefits don't stop there. It's also packed with essential nutrients like zinc, iron, magnesium, and fatty acids. These nutrients directly nourish hair follicles, supporting the growth of strong, resilient hair from the inside out. Think of it as fertilizer for your scalp, delivering the building blocks your hair needs to flourish, just like plants thrive with the right nutrients in the soil. Its anti-inflammatory properties also soothe the scalp, reducing redness, itching, and irritation that can disrupt healthy hair growth. A calm, balanced scalp environment is essential for hair to reach its full potential. A healthy, calm scalp is the foundation for healthy hair. When your scalp feels good, your hair is more likely to look and feel its best. By addressing both hormonal and nutritional factors, pumpkin seed oil offers comprehensive support for anyone looking to improve their hair's strength, thickness, and vitality. That's the science, made simple, showing how nature and nutrition can work together to support your hair's health and growth. The science behind pumpkin seed oil is compelling. A 2014 double-blind study found that men taking 400 milliliters of pumpkin seed oil daily saw a 40% increase in hair count over 24 weeks, compared to just 10% in the placebo group. Women benefit too. A 2021 study showed that applying pumpkin seed oil topically improved hair thickness and density. Animal studies also support its ability to stimulate hair growth and prolong the growth phase of hair follicles. Importantly, these studies report minimal to no side effects, making pumpkin seed oil a safe option. No adverse effects were reported in the major human trials. This excellent safety profile sets it apart from many pharmaceutical treatments. The research paints a clear picture. Pumpkin seed oil is a promising, natural, and safe option for hair growth. It's an exciting area for ongoing scientific exploration. Adding pumpkin seed oil to your routine is simple. You can take it orally, usually 1,000 ml once or twice daily with meals, as used in the key studies. Or, apply it topically. Part your hair, apply cold-pressed oil to your scalp, and massage gently for 5 to 10 minutes. Scalp massage boosts blood flow and enhances absorption. Leave the oil on for at least 30 minutes, or overnight for a deeper treatment. Just protect your pillow. Wash out with a double shampoo if needed. Do this 1 to 3 times per week for best results. Consistency is key. Stick with your chosen method for several months. You can combine oral and topical use for a comprehensive approach. Making pumpkin seed oil a regular habit is the key to unlocking its benefits. Want to take your hair care routine up a notch and give your locks some extra love? Sometimes, your hair needs more than just a quick wash and condition. That's where hot oil treatments come in, a luxurious way to deeply nourish your scalp and strands, leaving your hair feeling softer, shinier, and healthier. Try a hot oil treatment for a spa-like experience right at home. It's simple, relaxing, and can make a noticeable difference in your hair's texture and strength. To start, gently warm pumpkin seed oil by placing it in a bowl set in hot water. Never use a microwave, as it can overheat the oil and destroy its nutrients. The gentle heat helps the oil penetrate your hair shaft more effectively. Once the oil is warm, apply it generously to your scalp and hair, working from roots to ends. Take a few minutes to massage your scalp in circular motions. This boosts circulation and helps the oil absorb. Then, wrap your head in a warm towel and cover with a shower cap to lock in the heat and moisture. Let the treatment sit for at least 30 minutes, or even longer if you have time. This allows the nourishing oils to deeply condition your hair, making it softer and more manageable when you rinse it out. For a DIY blend, try mixing pumpkin seed oil with a few drops of rosemary essential oil. Rosemary has been shown to support hair growth and can add a fresh, herbal scent to your treatment. Or, for a thickening mask, Combine equal parts pumpkin seed and castor oil. Castor oil is known for its rich, nourishing properties. Add a few drops of peppermint oil for a refreshing tingle and to help stimulate your scalp. Apply your chosen blend, leave it on for an hour or more for maximum benefits, then wash thoroughly with a gentle shampoo to remove all traces of oil. These simple recipes let you customize your hair care routine, using natural ingredients to add extra nourishment and target your hair's unique needs. Treat yourself to these easy, effective treatments and enjoy the feeling of pampered, healthy hair, right from the comfort of your own home. How long does it take to see results? Be patient. Most studies show noticeable changes after 3 to 6 months of consistent use. Eating pumpkin seeds is healthy, but the oil is far more concentrated and effective for hair growth. Side effects are rare. Mild stomach upset can be avoided by taking the oil with food. Always patch test before applying topically, and consult your doctor if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. How does pumpkin seed oil compare to coconut or castor oil? Each has unique benefits, but pumpkin seed oil's DHT blocking action sets it apart for hair loss. Many people use a combination of oils for the best results. Remember, there's no single best oil. Choose what fits your needs. Consistency and patience are your best allies. As we wrap up, remember, pumpkin seed oil is a promising natural tool for healthier hair, backed by science. It works best for mild to moderate thinning, especially when DHT or nutrition are factors. It's not a miracle cure, but a valuable part of a holistic approach. Combine it with good nutrition, stress management, and gentle hair care for best results. Try it consistently for 6 months and watch for small improvements. Less shedding, softer texture, a healthier scalp. Celebrate progress, even if it's gradual. The real power of pumpkin seed oil is in its gentle, accessible nature. Share your experiences and questions in the comments. Let's support each other on this journey. Have you tried pumpkin seed oil for your hair? What were your results? Let's continue the conversation and grow healthier, happier hair together. If you love natural and homemade beauty tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content just like this. Join our community for more simple, effective ways to look and feel your best, naturally.